What a pleasant day here in New Delhi, and joining me is Shweta Mantri from Uber. Shweta, welcome to India today. What a pleasure to have you, and quite a view with this pilot launch of Uber Intercity Caravan. Tell me a bit about when is this going to set on road, and what are your expectations out of this?
Yeah, so this Uber Intercity motorhome is sort of our endeavor to elevate the road travel experience in India for Indian consumers. We are going to go live on August 7th, and these rides are going to be available from Delhi NCR to wherever you want to go for up to 2 days. You can book this on your Uber app just like you book any other product, and you can reserve this in advance.
Tell me, what was the whole purpose and objective of introducing a caravan and getting it on road? Because Intercity is something that already exists for consumers.
Yeah, so Intercity has been on Uber app for a while now, and it sees amazing traction. We are growing really well. And what we did see is that as we continue to scale that ambition and grow in the market, we wanted to do something for our consumers as a consumer delight, a limited period campaign to just really elevate and create more awareness for Uber Intercity.
Where do you exactly see the demand of intercity traveling?
Right. So I think there are very interesting stats about how domestic tourism is on the rise. And you'll also know that our national highways infrastructure is also improving year on year. So as more Indians want to travel, more Indians want to travel by road, I think Uber Intercity and intercity travel in general is only set to accelerate.
Great. I'm going to ask my camera to come with us. Let's explore what's inside.
For sure.
Great. While we walk, Shweta, tell me a bit about the pricing. Have you decided on what is the kind of pricing that's going to come along?
Yeah, so we do have a handle on what the pricing will be, and you will be able to see it on the app once the product goes live. Will be slightly more higher than our current form factors because this is a larger vehicle, with all amenities tagged, and we'll talk more about the amenities.
Okay, take us inside, Jay. All yours.
Sure.
Is it going to be this fancy looking also on the road?
It is exactly this is what you're going to get on the road as well.
Okay.
And if I could give you a sneak peek in terms of what we will have, of course, you'll see it has comfortable seating for up to 5 people. It has a bunch of interesting amenities. It has a kitchenette, so it has a fridge, a microwave, it has a TV, and a full, music system in it. And it also has a lavatory. So think of this as a home away from home as our consumers enjoy this experience.
Well, it clearly looks to me like those, on a lighter note, those fancy vanity vans on Bollywood sets.
It does, but I think the experience is going to be so much more amazing here. And the best part that you can actually get a slice of that experience for you and your family or friends on the Uber app very shortly.
So you're going to decide on its full launch clearly after the pilot project and how the demand pulls off, is it?
Yeah, at this point, we don't have, those decisions made. At this point, we want to bring this to the road and see what the consumers, interact with it, and then we'll take it.
I mean, it looks great if our friends are planning a scene out to travel to a different city, especially that we're here in Delhi. I think trips to Chandigarh or trips around Agra, they're very common, or maybe a family plan surrounding areas, a marriage to attend.
Absolutely. I think the use cases are immense, whether it's a wedding you need to get to, whether it's a business use case, or whether it's a family leisure trip. I think this will work for all of those use cases. Take it with you. You can keep it up to 2 days and reserve it in advance on the Uber app, just like you book any other ride on the Uber app.
Great. Thank you very much, Shweta, and hoping this kicks off for a fuller and a long-term plan.
We're very excited. Thank you so much, Karishma.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.